In the world of derivatives and leverage, you will often hear the term notional value. Let's look at what that actually means for your portfolio. Notional value is the total face value of the assets that a financial derivative contract controls. Think of it as the total size of the position, regardless of how much cash you actually put down to open the trade. Notional value is critical because it reveals your true market exposure. It helps investors understand the total size of their bet, not just the upfront cost. Don't confuse notional value with market value. Market value is what you pay for the contract today, whereas notional is the total asset value controlled. This chart shows how a $500 investment can represent $10,000 in underlying stock exposure. That is the power of leverage. Always keep an eye on your total notional exposure. It is the best way to ensure your risk level matches your actual financial goals. Understanding these basics helps you trade with more clarity. Subscribe for more money basics and keep building your financial knowledge.